Hello folks, Stefan is here. So in today's video we'll check the Arctis Nova 5 white and Arctis Nova 5 black. So we'll see which gaming headset you will keep. Now, I recently bought the white version a couple of days ago, weeks ago, planning to do a full review. I love this headset, it's amazing, it's very comfortable. Also, yesterday I bought the black version as well, and I think the black version looks amazing. Now, if you want to keep the white version, that's totally up to you. If there's any companies dealing with customization, skins, please reach out, because I like to customize the Arctis Nova white or black. We'll see which version I'm gonna keep. But yeah, if there's any companies dealing with skins, please reach out, because I bought the Audio-Technica ATH M50Xs. This is the black version, but as you can see, with some customization skins, they look electric. So yeah, reach out if any company is doing some customizations, reach out. But if you keep the white version, you're gonna start to have any small issues, small problems in the future, because I don't know if you can see, there is some hair here and some, you know, spots and dirt, which this is not good. I had them for less than a month, and I'm starting to feeling that in the future you're gonna have some issues with the white version. But if you buy the black version is much better in terms of dirty, and obviously if you leave your fingers, I don't know, I believe that the black version is better. So let me know in the comments down below, guys, which version you're planning to keep. But they're identical, they're very comfortable, they're very nice, they're amazing. I love them. As you can see, I wear glasses and they look perfect. I don't have any problems wear them for a long time of period. But let's try the black version. The black version is very nice as well, but I have the feeling that the black version, obviously because they're new, they're brand new, I just opened them 10 seconds ago, and yeah, they're not very loose at the moment, but obviously when I start to use them, they're gonna get loose. But overall, I think the black version is more better, at least for me. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. Either way, doesn't matter if you choose the white, the black, they will be the same. They all work with PlayStation, PC, Switch, Android, mobile. So this is the Nova 5, this is the Nova 5P for PlayStation. Again, the black version, the Nova 5, works with PlayStation as well, but the only difference is that the P comes in the white, the 5 and the 5X comes in black only. So only the PlayStation version comes in white. But yeah, overall they're identical, comes with the app, 120 presets, but overall I think they're nice. So let me know in the comments down below which headset do you prefer. So let's do a test now. Let's hear them if there's any difference, and we'll get back to the video. And now let's hear the Arctis Nova 5P. This is the microphone test. They're identical with the white version, so it doesn't matter which version you buy, the microphone will be exactly the same. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the Arctis Nova 5? So regardless which color you go for, they are identical, so choose wisely. My choice is to keep the black version because it looks much sleeker. I like the white version, but I have the feeling that in the future you're gonna have problems with marks, hair, and other stuff, and probably have to change the pads much quicker than the black version. So there we have it, guys. I'm gonna keep the black version. If you have any questions, leave it in the section down below. That was a very good catch. I'll see you in the next video.